Hello. So I just randomly at this moment decided to make a vlog about behind the scenes of my packaging day. I also am going to be producing some content, and I was thinking of YouTube ideas, and I was like, you know what? Let me show them what all of this really looks like from what I'm doing, and why sometimes your packages are a little late because we are tedious about collecting content and also making sure our packaging is perfect. We don't want to send a customer the wrong item. We want to make sure everything they purchase, if they purchase multiple items, is included in their package, okay? So sometimes that takes extra time. It is 11 a.m. on Saturday, and I just came to the conclusion I'm not gonna make it to the post office. Sorry guys. I'm not gonna make it to the post office before 12. I'm not gonna have it packaged up and ready before 12. So I'm disappointed, but I think I'll be grateful that I made this decision when I look back on this video, because I'm gonna have so much bomb content, pictures, videos, and everybody's packaging is gonna be perfect, okay? And I'm still waiting to hear back from one customer to reply to their email anyway. But that's how it goes. Make sure you stay tuned for the rest of this video behind the scenes of Nursepreneur. Is that how you pronounce it, Nursepreneur? Behind the scenes with me. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I got my mannequin behind my backdrop, and I usually put my camera right here in my ring light. And my mannequin, her lipstick is chipped. Gross, right? So I usually use Facetune to edit her lipstick. My makeup artist friend who created this mannequin for me, we are going to meet up really shortly, and she's going to give me a tube to correct this. But in the meantime, the only thing I ever edit in my photos is this mannequin's face. Nothing about the hair ever. So I also put these earrings on her for extra accessory. Sometimes I'll change them to studs or whatever, just something. Change the necklace, just dress her up a little bit. All right, you guys see me shoot a lot of my videos against this black wall, and this is a wall behind the door of my bedroom. I just didn't put any pictures here, and it's great for shooting content. This is an example of using what you got and starting where you are. So now I am in front of my ring light. The light is beaming. It's perfect. It bounces off the gloss of my wall so nicely. My makeup is nice. The highlight and contour balance is really nice. The hair looks like lustrous, you know, and it's just a really good shot. It's a good image, and it's a good look. And this is how I get it to go. You know, and I don't have to edit these videos or my content very much. Sometimes I may look a little too yellow or too washed out, and I'll edit my face, but never the hair. It's never the hair. It's always the model. I would love for if every time I was trying to showcase a wig, I had a model to wear something fly, be out on the scene, so the whole look. But we are on a budget and a time restraint, so I have to be the face. I have to put my little makeup on. Yes, beat this face out and be my own model, and be the look, and be the brand, and be the face. And that's what we do. You smile, flip the hair, make it look cute. You know, you do a little selfie. That's all it is. It's a moving selfie. That's all it is. Make sure your hair's in place. Touch it. Make sure it ain't stiff. Show them and shake, you know. Show them, you know, flip the hair, whip the hair, flip the hair. Shake it. Just look nice, look happy. Look happy about it. Be confident with it, you know. Show off whatever feature you're trying to show off. The lace being flat, is that what you want to show them? The lace flat, the lace match, with the meltdown, the baby hairs. You know, that's it. get so much content. I'll take a picture of it on the canvas black head, on the mannequin head. I'll take some selfies of me with it. I take a video with me in it. So that's 4 different types of content of the same wig. And then maybe my customer will send me a picture too. So we are recycling, getting as much content. You could do more pictures behind the scene, like as we sewing it, plucking the baby hairs, bleaching the knots. That's a lot of content. So this is how I stack my content, and I literally have content for months. I do repost content, but I try not to rely on it. People want to see something fresh. Maybe I change my background. Maybe I change my backdrop. I used to change that a lot. Keep it coming. Keep people watching. They want to see what you're doing next. They watching, they doubt, and they looking. Keep them entertained. I have 6 wigs to package, and to make sure I keep track of which is which, I use a piece of fabric on the inside to write out the order number and what it is that this wig is. I use this part of the cap that was the lace, and I just write the order number, right, left part, hair texture, just to make sure I don't get it mixed up in the bunch. Okay, so that's my little trick of staying organized. Okay, so boom. So I put my wig ultimately inside of this hair garment bag. I know a lot of people use those wig boxes, but I don't. I put my business card inside of here, and I put my sticker logo on here. And the cool thing about these garment bags is that you could put a hanger right here and hang this up in your closet, and it saves space versus those boxes that get bulky and they get thrown away ultimately. This is the wig. Inside of the wig, I'm gonna stuff it with tissue paper. I got this tissue paper from the Dollar Tree, y'all. I make a ball, stick it in there, and then I cover it all with a net. This net is the net that was on the closure that was on the wig, so we just repurposed this. And I weigh it all, package it in my poly mailer, and send it off. A wig for a customer who's going to pick up their order. So I'm still using the wig storage bag. I'm just going to fold it over. And this bag I got from Amazon. I put it inside. I'm sure to include the invoice right on top of the item. And I use that same paper I got from the dollar store to just fluff it and make it look pretty, make it look exciting. And I like how orange and green, or orange and bluish, whatever you want to call it, kind of contrast and make it pop. I try to make it look like a birthday gift, like exciting. When they get it, they're like, oh my God, what is this? What is this? Something you paid for. You ordered it. But I want them to feel happy when I bring it out to them, or when they have it in the car, they're like, oh my God, I can't wait to open it and see, and da-da-da. And that's that. That is it. Nothing extra. I don't have any thank you cards yet or things like that. This is packaging made cheap and easy. So now I got my package on the scale. 9.9 ounces. So of course I round up to 10. I always require a signature confirmation. So no one can say, oh, I didn't get it. It's not going to be delivered without a signature. And I buy the label. I print my packaging slip from my Shopify store, and that's when the Canon printer comes into use. Prior to this, I was doing all of this at work at my job. I would use their printer to print the packaging slip and the printer label. I would then get a glue stick and glue the printer label onto a USPS box. I still have a ton of USPS boxes that I am no longer using because now getting my own poly mailer and my printing label, this is cheaper, and we're all about cheap and saving money so I could profit more. So I always make sure I drop my package off and get it scanned. I do not leave until it's scanned. I use this door right here where this man is standing to drop off my packages. It's usually faster than standing in line, but I will stand in line because, like I said, I'm not leaving until I see it scanned. I used to put my packages in that bin back there and just drop them until one package never moved, it got lost, it never got scanned, and I missed money and had to remake someone's wig. So now you gotta scan it before I leave. I'm leaving the post office now. I just dropped off all my packages on my way back home. I think I am gonna make this face and makeup useful and maybe make some content for Instagram, go on my Insta stories and chat it up with y'all. Maybe I'll go live today, record something else for YouTube, just try to be productive. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, do so. Until next time.